Hi, welcome to Easy Math, where your math lessons are made easier. In this video, we'll be talking about multiplying and dividing integers. The good news is, multiplying and dividing integers are easier than adding and subtracting them because, although it involves both positive and negative numbers, they basically work the same way. To begin, let's take a look at the following sequence. The products are obtained by decreasing our second number at each step by 1. Then we get the results. Do you notice some patterns? The result decreases by 3 at each step. Now, what would be your answer here? Since the result decreases by 3 at each step, we expect 3 times negative 2 equals negative 6. We also learned in primary school that multiplication is a repeating addition of a number. Hence, 3 times negative 2 can also be written as the sum of 3 negative 2's, which is equal to negative 6. Let's have another sequence. The products are obtained this time by decreasing our first number each step by 1. Then we get the results. The result decreases by 2 at each step. Now, what would you write here? From the sequence, we expect negative 3 times 2 equals negative 6. If we put back our first sequence together with our second sequence, multiplying integers with different signs can be obtained by following this rule. When you multiply two integers with different signs, the result is always negative. And what about if both integers are negative? This can also be obtained by using the same method. Say this sequence. We decrease our first number each step by 1. Then the result increases by 3 at each step. What would you write here? From the sequence, we expect negative 1 times negative 3 equals positive 3. That is, when you multiply two integers with the same signs, the result is always positive. And now, let's go to dividing integers. Coming back from our examples in the sequences, we know that division is the inverse operation of multiplication, and these products imply the following. Hence, the rules of multiplying integers can also be applied when dividing integers. In a similar way, when you divide two integers with different signs, the result is always negative. When you divide two integers with the same signs, the result is always positive. Now, you already know the rules when multiplying and dividing integers. Don't want to miss our next video? Subscribe on our channel by simply hitting the subscribe button and see you in our next